Hello, chess enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of the chessboard, how each piece moves, and how to set up the board. Whether you're new to the game or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by understanding the chessboard itself. It's an 8x8 grid made up of alternating light and dark squares. Keep in mind the lower right corner should always be a light square. Now, let's talk about the pieces. There are 6 different types of pieces on each side: the rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, and pawn. Each type moves differently, so let's break it down. First up, the king. The king is the most important piece, and you need to protect it at all costs. The king moves 1 square in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Next, we have the queen. Queen is the most versatile piece on the board. She's capable of moving horizontally, vertically, and diagonally any number of squares, granting her an array of strategic possibilities. Now, the rook. Rooks move horizontally or vertically across the board. They're great for controlling open files and ranks. Moving on to the bishop. Bishops move diagonally across the board. Each bishop always stays on squares of the same color they started on. Next, we have the knight. Knights move in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction, and then 1 square perpendicular to that. Knights are the only pieces that can jump over other pieces. Lastly, we have the pawn. Pawns move forward 1 square and can't go backward. However, on their very first move, pawns have the option to move forward 2 squares or 1 square. Now that we've covered the movements of each piece, let's talk about setting up the board. To begin, place the rooks in the corners, followed by the knights next to them. Then, position the bishops beside the knights. Here's a pro tip. The queen goes on her matching color square, and the king completes the lineup. And voila, you've set up the chessboard correctly. Remember, the queen is placed on her own color, whether it's a light or dark square. So, there you have it, the basics of how each piece moves on the chessboard. As you play and practice, you'll develop a deeper understanding of their interactions and strategies. If you found this tutorial helpful, show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll delve into opening strategies, tactics, and much more to help you become a chess master. Until next time, keep those pieces moving and enjoy your journey on the chessboard. See you soon.